For over 70 years, Alkon Corporation, headquartered in Fremont, Ohio, has been a trusted leader in engineering and manufacturing, delivering innovative fluid power solutions that drive industries forward. At Alkon, we don't just make products, we create fluid power solutions that empower OEMs and distributors to outperform their competition. To support the delivery of our products and solutions, we operate 3 manufacturing facilities in the United States. Alkon in Fremont, Ohio, Airman Products in Brighton, Michigan, and Star Hydraulics in River Grove, Illinois. Additionally, we have a manufacturing facility in Mexico City, Mexico, to support our customers both in the U.S. and in Mexico. Our product portfolio includes precision-engineered fittings, high-performance valves, robust pneumatic cylinders, hydraulic pumps, and custom cylinders designed for reliability, safety, and seamless integration. Every component is thoughtfully engineered for the specific application and undergoes rigorous testing, ensuring flawless performance even in the toughest conditions. While global supply chain disruptions are devastating to production, Alkon's North American manufacturing footprint ensures product is delivered when it's needed most, keeping operations running smoothly with short lead times and dependable delivery. We are committed to providing exceptional customer support over the phone and in the field, addressing projects and concerns with urgency to ensure customer success. We live and breathe our mission every day, providing timely, high-quality fluid power solutions that drive customer success through exceptional service and trusted performance. Visit us at alkoncorp.com and follow us on LinkedIn and Facebook, or call us at 419-333-7000 to learn more. Alkon, your partner in trusted performance.